It's a bird. I'll go eat it. I wonder what it tastes like. I'm gonna eat its butt. I wonder what it tastes like. Oh my god. Okay, hey guys, we're back. Whacking lightning bugs. I do not do this all the time, but fireflies, lightning bugs, whatever you guys want to call them. Yeah. Okay, so one afraid. See him. Oh, did I hit him? I missed. Oh. I'm missing him by like 2 inches. That one I got. So. Ooh, wait, oh. Thought I had him. That time I did. Okay, I'm gonna dig him out for you all. Here. It's him, right there. Another one just came right towards me and I missed. Like bullets. Ooh. Ooh. God. Damn. But I see in this one. Did I get him? Oops, sorry guys. Got him. Showing the scoreboard. Right here. Oh. I dropped him. But I did get him. There's 2 on the board. I think I'll do 10 before I cut this video off. Make a new one of Far Cry 5. And if you guys like Far Cry 5, video down. I mean, video. Put hashtag Far Cry 4 for more Far Cry 4. Hashtag more lightning bug whacking if you would like to see more whacking lightning bugs. And ooh, right here, I just seen you out of. He's on the ground. I don't see him, but I missed him. I missed him. Ooh. Never even glue yet. Here's Brody. Stop. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. No. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. God damn it. The reason why I stop is to see where they are. Like, I'll be on one. I'll be like 4 feet away from it. Stop. See it. Come up here. I'm just going to use this dandelion. It's gone. Can't see it. Flashes again. Dandelion right here. Got him. Don't know if you guys can fully see that, but. All I want to do. Fuck the police coming straight. Fuck the police coming straight. Oh, I hit him. Oh. Looks like I got him twice. He's still alive, God. How much has this guy been through? I think. Ooh. I got one. Damn it. Oh, he's still on. Right there. So that's 3. We got 3. I need to have a little, like, scoreboard, like, right there. Keeping track. I just farted. God damn it, I suck at this. I talk horsey balls. It's a God damn, that's fast. This can be stressful. Because you see like 20 of them just in a row. You whack it like 5 times. And it's still up. Like all 20 of them are still up in a row. And then you smack them again. And then you only kill like 3 of them. That's what it feels like. It feels like getting $1 million. Oh, I hit him. Right here. So, damn it. So, that's 5. Ooh. I'll just let you know if I hit him up. I don't need to show you all. 6. Just hit him. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, nope, I'm letting him go. I hit him off. I hit him with Dolph. I hit him with Dolph. What is that? Oh, it's a baby froggy. Damn it. Damn. God, I mistaked him as a berry. Where is he? Well. Oh. Damn it. Keep on mistaking him as a berry. Here. It's a froggy. Oh. Have any of you guys been to the catfish tournament and caught second place? Caught the fish for second place? Damn. I'm trying to whack stuff that's not even my target. So much frustration. Oh my god. That's a wink bug. Bam. Oh, dude. I swear to God, I went like this. Then I came back like this. Just not even expecting it. That's 8. Oh, he's still alive. Here. Oh. Run away. He's gone. He flew. So I guess that one doesn't really count. I mean, we've only got 8. We could probably go to 20. Maybe even 15. Make that 9. And now make that... Oh, damn it. Oh. He just went down. I did not see him. Now I'll make that. Okay. Now let's make that. Oh. Okay, for real. Okay, guys, for real this time. For Rizzle. I said for Rizzle. Whenever I see one, there's like 1,000,000 of them. I think that's it. horse. It's 10 horse. Oh, there's another frog. For all of you all frog lovers, that's the reason why I'm. Ew, you just pissed on me. Well, he hopped. Mr. Hops fell. He really did piss on me, though. Which a piss. Getting scared of to stick. Okay. Now, 10. Got him. Okay. I swear I just seen that whore. Okay. Well, that's 10. I'm gonna do 15. Not 15. 25. Okay, I'm doing 25. We're already at 10. It's getting so hard to missed him. Missed that ass. Missed that. I missed. Now I got him. I just clocked him. He just went, damn. Nope. That's 11. Make that 12. About to make that 13. I don't know if I hit him. God. Dude! I just... Bam! Hit him with my hand. Whew. Kind of hurt a little. Because I smacked him with my fingertips. But I'm serious. I just threw it in the air. And I just seen one of them just go... I just went... So, make that 13. 13 down. 13 down, you guys. Don't worry. You guys won't leave me yet. Not just yet. But I want to be playing some Far Cry. Hey, those other videos, please subscribe, god damn it. Okay, I make all these videos for all you guys. But all you bitches don't want to subscribe. Oh, 14 on the board. Honestly, if I just threw this bat in the air and I clocked one right in the face, that'd just be amazing. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get a kill by throwing it out. Could have just seen his ass. His ass was glowing green. Oh, dude. Okay, the first time I said that, I was lying. But dude, I swear to God. Cross my heart, hope to die. Stick a needle in my eye, god damn it. Fuck, I hit him. I missed him. It's a black snake. It's in the trees. Okay, next one I should... Yeah, this is me. Where'd you go? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Maybe me acting stupid like that. They closed me out. I'm serious. They closed me out. They closed me out. My beautiful face got closed out. Don't ruin my video! Or slap you, Timmy! God damn, Timmy. You were not a part of this vlog. Or video. Timmy did not die. Where is Timmy? Timmy, I see you. I seen two Timmys. I'm gonna believe that. This one's the real Timmy. It's the real Timmy. Come on, Timmy. We were friends. Oh, you want to sing a little song? Can we still be? Got him! Right with the hand. Timmy, you do not go down that easily. Damn. He is a fighter. Timmy. Well, we've got 14. We've got 14 on our board. We've still got. That's right, Timmy. Look at this little. Look at him. Going in our vlog. Well, I lost him. 15 on the board now. Literally just need 10 more. Up. Okay. I've got to clock one by throwing it at him again because that was super lit. I just went, and it was many. And then he died. Honestly, let's just do Timmy. Timmy, good day, Timmy. Timmy Jr., I swear to God. Dude, I swear to God, if I can kick him. I just got him. I swear to God, I heard that. Oh, I just got him. Well, I'm pretty sure. Or that was my toe that just cracked. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it at 16, 15, unless I know it's true. Like, the reason why I didn't throw that was idiots plus non-idiots equal crazy people. Crazy people do not like crazy other people. So I'm a crazy people. But most of them are crazy people. But we're the crazy people. Who knows who's the real crazy people? But I am a crazy people. Okay? Just want all you all to know that. Should I throw you guys at it? And maybe you guys can kill it. Okay, we're going brown! You all want to do it? Well, not your guys' decision. You just guys let me know if it's fun, and I'll throw you guys at them. Okay. See him? Your marriage is lost. Oh. guys, don't worry, I'm fighting them all. Well, you guys were not very successful. Don't worry, you all will get a chance. Don't worry. You guys want to go with this one first? Too bad you are going for this one. If I can find them again. It's like impossible to see them now because it's getting darker. Damn it. Why couldn't you just leave your blinker on?